Okay, I have my ring right here, and you can see my ends are completely flush. You see that? Completely flush. There's no space between them at all. Okay? It's lined up all the way. Okay, this is my torch that I use. And I also have a giant torch like this. So I'm going to use this torch to light this torch and show you the different flames and what's right and what's not. Okay, here's the huge propane tank attached to the head. And if I turn it on, this one's almost empty. Okay. I took a really big flame right there. Just turn all that thing. You see that? That's like a really big flame. You want a flame more like, probably like that. Right here. I'm going to light it. That flame, too big. Little flame like that, it's pretty good. Still pretty hot. That's better. Okay, you see that? See, my seam is right over here, and I'm going to put some solder on it. Turn that flame out for a second. Okay, here is my, this is just easy paste solder.
McCarthy even told the president that he had just heard gunfire outside the House chamber and that he had been evacuated and that the president needed Donald Trump, the now former president, needed to get out there and call his people off.
John, let me interrupt you right now because Mitt Romney has just voted yes. This is because Kamala Harris, the vice president, does not vote in this proceeding. But Mitt Romney, at least one on Capitol Hill, it looks like all of this coming after.
Can you see this? Okay, now I'm going to ignore the solder. And I'm going to keep my flame around the back half of the ring. Small circles towards the middle to the back. See it start to glow? I haven't touched the solder. I haven't touched it. I'm not anywhere near it. Now it's like a lumpy rock. My ring is glowing. The solder starts to move. I hit it lightly with the flame. It's done. If I'm unsure, I can hit it again if I want it to flow to this side or this side. It will flow where the flame goes. Okay, and that's done. It's soldered completely.
Subpoena her documents as well, but he very significantly also left open the possibility that they would request further witnesses as well.